In earlier section, we have discussed to solve and graph a linear inequality in one variable. Now we are going to find the graphical solution of linear inequality in two variables. Before we move to this solution, we need to know few important points. That is, first one is the region containing all the solutions of an inequality is called solution region. You will have many solutions. That region is called as solution region. Second point is, in order to find the solution region, that is when we draw a coordinates, the line divides the coordinates into two regions. This is the line. This line divides this coordinate into two regions. We can name it as upper region or lower region, part 1 or part 2, as you wish, anything else. Now to find the solution, what we have to do it is, we have to take a point. That is, it is just sufficient to take any point P. We should not take the point P on the line. It should be somewhere on any one of the sides of the line, and check whether it satisfies the inequality. So you can take a point somewhere anywhere else from here, either this point or this point. You will have infinite number of points. You can choose any points as you wish and substitute the point on the inequality. If that inequality satisfies, then we can say that the point P satisfies the inequality. Then the region that P contains is called the solution. Suppose if I have taken a point P from here, this point, and if that inequality satisfies this point, then this region is said to be as the solution. This shaded region is said to be the solution. Suppose if it doesn't satisfy, then the other part of the line where the P does not contain will be the solution region. That for our convenience, we can take the point as 0, 0, which is easy for our calculation. Now let us move to the point number 3. That is, if an inequality is of the type ax plus by greater than or equal to c, or ax plus by less than or equal to c. In this both the inequalities, we have two equal symbols, that is greater than or equal, less than or equal. So we will have both less than or equal or greater than or equal. If it is like that, first we will draw the line by considering it as equal to c. Then we will get two regions. Is it or not? We will get two regions. Now when we draw this line, you have to draw a straight line without any dotted lines. It says that the point on this line also included. The points on this line is also included because we have the equal sign. So we draw the darker line in the solution region. This is solution. We make this one as darker line. Then next one is point number 4. If an inequality is of the form ax plus by greater than c or less than c, that is, we don't have that equal to. First we will consider it as equal to c, and then we will draw the line. When we draw the line, it should be the dotted line and not a straight line. It should not be like this. When you can draw like this is if you have equal sign. That is point number 3. So what to do in this case is, it should be the dotted lines. It should be drawn like this. It should be dotted lines. It says that the points on this line is not considered. So it should be drawn as dotted line.